Welcome to Fridie Outdoors. My name's Lestea Malloy, and I love camping. Camping is joy, confidence, and freedom. It's hiking out to beautiful spots, sleeping under the stars, and waking up so refreshed. Growing up, I was not outdoorsy, and it was not on my radar of things to do. But as an adult, I became curious to try camping and booked a campsite. Despite freezing the first night, I did fall in love with camping, and over time, figured out how to really get into it. Fridie Outdoors is empowering folks to get camping by making the know-how accessible, whether you're online at home or offline out camping. Fridie Outdoors is for people getting into camping, as well as people with some experience, but looking to take their camping to the next level. We're gonna provide the know-how for all things related to camping, such as what are the camping essentials, how to sleep comfortably in a tent, how to cook simple but delicious meals, build a campfire for nighttime, and hygiene while camping, and so much more. Our goal is to give you a solid foundation in camping, and we'll explain the why. This way you can make adjustments for what will work best for your preferences. Our goal is to diversify the outdoors and make it accessible to everyone. You got this, let's get camping.